Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of this old Mustang. You know, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, and the one thing they love to do is the unboxing of new parts. And it just so happens, it's getting a little wet there, but we've got some unboxing to do here. Take a look at that, Aunt. Where'd this come from? And as you guys all know, if you're a Mustang aficionado, we love Cervini. Cervini makes some really good stuff. So let's see what's in here. I'll give you a little clue. It's the front spoiler that goes under the bumper that I told you about. But the one I chose, I wanted to look the most like a 1969 Mach 1 as I could. You know me, I'm all about retro. And here it is. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God. It's not very clean. Doesn't look very exciting. That's it right there. It's a big spoiler though. Chin spoiler. Goes underneath the bumper. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this very shortly. We're going to drive this off to our shop where we had our hood worked, our damage repaired, and he's going to paint this instead of primer black. And you'll notice a lot of spoilers that go, or chin spoilers, they're usually primer. They're usually a flat black. I decided to go the full 9 yards. We'll make this gloss black, same as a car. If I smash it up, I smash it up. We're going to try not to do that. I think it'll look really cool if it's glossy black. So that's that. Not for nothing, but that's a big ass spoiler. Okay, now let's unbox this. We got another Christmas present. When you're a Mustang owner and you start getting stuff in the mail, it's like Christmas. It's like, oh my God, I got another box. So it's just kind of cool. I know you guys can relate. Let's cut this baby open and see what's in here. We're getting water all over this. Uh-oh. We're encased in plastic. What could it be, you guys? Finally, after 3 years, we've got the bottom grill insert. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I called up AmericanMuscle.com, and I love American Muscle. They're great. I've got tons of equipment, tons of parts from American Muscle, but this was on back order. It could have been months before they had it. I called CJ Pony Parts. They wanted $55 for it. That's a little different from $27. But you know, I didn't want to wait months and months for it, so I ordered it. And the ironic thing is, you guys by now, if you've been following the channel, you're pretty familiar with the Desperado with the black 3-valve. I have had, since I put it in the garage at Penco Tech in Bristol, PA, I've had 3 different front bumpers on the car. Yes, 2 of them were my fault. I banged into something and smashed them up and tore them apart. And the first one was the girl that owned it before me. And out of all 3 of those front bumpers, none of them came with the grill insert. So, I have a feeling that Anthony, young Anthony behind the camera right now, and I can probably clip this baby in right now. And we'll try to make a video of that. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that back in the box. We're gonna load it into that Nissan Murano and take it over and drop it off at our buddy Keith Larkin, who did the work on our hood and our front bumper, which I showed you in just the last video. So we got to move that car. Where's the keys?
Alright, hold on. It zoomed in a little bit. Alright.
Now folks, Mustang fans, my cameraman, who I couldn't do without, he's terrific, and he produces our videos, he does a great job. Anthony just asked me, gee, I thought it would be gray. Well, Ant, it's not gray, it's just plastic. Now, this needs to be cleaned, and we have two choices that we could go with this. I mean, we could clean it off ourselves. We could paint it a flat black out of a can and mount it ourselves onto the 3-valve, and I'm sure it would look great. But we're not going to do that. We're going to spend just a few extra bucks, because my guy Keith Larkins at Quality Auto Repair, he's so reasonable, and he's going to paint this baby gloss black, which means he'll clean it, he'll primer it, he'll spray it gloss black, and he'll mount it for us. And I think it's worth a few extra dollars. Does that answer your question, Ant?
Yeah, makes sense.
It does answer your question. Now we got to drive over there, and we're going to take it today. But this baby here, that does not look like a big deal on the back, does it? And if you look at my front bumper, and like I said, 3 years, 18, 19, 20, we're going into 21. I've had 3 different front bumpers, and I never had a lower front bumper grill. So this is like a big deal. We're gonna back the monster out. We're gonna face it right here, and we're gonna see if we can't just pop this sucker in ourselves, which I'm kind of pretty sure we can, okay? So, you can keep filming if you want it, or you can cut. Doesn't matter, whatever our viewers would like to see. I'm gonna back the 3-valve out. Let's hope, guys, let's hope this is as easy as I think it's going to be. I wanted to go up here where it was semi-dry. It's not dry. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna put this in here. I'm hoping and I'm praying that it just pops right in. What am I doing wrong, Ant? Oh.
You flip it upside down? Yeah.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Was that
You think the clip's caught?
This side's in. Oh, that side was in. Nah, it's in now. It's in. That's not coming out. Nah, there's no way that's coming out. That was a plug and play right there. That was. Now. Nah, tell me that. Come back this way, Ant. Get a full shot of the front of the Mustang. And tell me that doesn't make a difference.
It's so weird. I never really imagined that anything would be there, you know?
What do you think now?
Well, it looks good. It matches the rest of the car.
Makes a big difference. And once we have the chin spoiler on it, you'll notice though that the plastic is newer. It's a little darker than what's up top.
Are you gonna get that painted too?
Well, you know what, guys? Let me ask you a question. How would y'all feel if I pulled that grill out, pulled that lower front bumper out and painted it all chrome, would that look worse or better?
You'd have to get a black horse though.
Nah, well, yeah, maybe.
I think you look good.
Maybe a yellow horse like this.
You can't go wrong with more chrome.
Yeah, chrome is good, man. Chrome is old style, and you know me, I'm retro. And I know we revealed the bodywork last week, but from this distance, look at the difference on the front bumper and where the hood meets the fender.
No, it's indistinguishable.
It's indistinguishable. He did a terrific job. And I'm really pleased with that lower front bumper. That made a big difference. Once we get that spoiler on there, chrome black, whew, we're gonna be looking good. We're gonna be looking good. Then from there, I hate to do more cosmetic work, but I think I might drop 500 bucks on 2 brand new 2012 leather seats, because I'm tired of running around on those worn out seats with rips in them. It's a shame, because for not much more, we could put 373 gears in this and really give people a bad time. We could spoil everyone's day. If we had 373 gears in this, we'd be spoiling a lot of people's day. As if we're not already. So anyway, Aunt, let's take our spoiler over to Quality Auto Body and drop it off. We're gonna drop off this big ass spoiler, get a nice gloss black paint job done on it. Come on, Aunt. Hey Keith, how you doing? Want to drop off the spoiler.
Okay.
Oh, he's got a badass GT back there. See the white one?
What are we doing with this? Painting it?
Painting it gloss black to match the car. There's a box in there with a couple screws. I figured since you got it on a lift, I mean, I could put it on myself, but probably take you 30 seconds to bolt it on a lift. All right, Keith. Thanks a lot, and that was a great job you did on the hood and the bumper, by the way. All right, Keith. You let me know, okay? Bye-bye. Okay, guys. I hope this was an entertaining video for you. Perhaps even a bit informative. That's it. That's all we have for today for this old Mustang. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you real soon.